In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your Woocommerce shipping options. Setting up your shipping options correctly is essential for the smooth operation of your online store, and I'm here to guide you through the process in a few straightforward steps. Whether you're new to Woocommerce or just need a refresher, this guide will have your shipping options up and running in no time. Let's get started by heading over to WordPress.com. This is your starting point for all things related to your website. Once you're there, look for the Login option. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your website's control center, where you'll make the majority of your adjustments and updates. Now that you're in the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to Woocommerce. You'll find Woocommerce as one of the options in the menu. Clicking on it will expose a suite of features related to your store. To fine-tune any of these settings, we need to delve deeper. So let's click on Settings. This is where the magic happens. Within the Settings menu, you'll notice several tabs. Each tab deals with a specific aspect of your online store. For today, we'll focus on the Shipping tab. Clicking on it will open up all your shipping-related configurations. The shipping interface allows you to customize how products are delivered to your customers. Start by adding a shipping zone. Shipping zones let you define geographical areas where you ship to and what shipping methods are used for each area. This is especially useful if you ship to multiple countries or regions, as you can tailor your shipping options based on location. To add a shipping zone, look for the Add Shipping Zone button. Clicking this will allow you to specify a zone name and determine which regions or countries this zone covers. Once you've set up a region, you'll be prompted to add shipping methods. Woocommerce provides several shipping methods you can choose from, including flat rate, free shipping, and local pickup. Select the ones that apply to your business model, and don't forget to configure them further to meet your specific needs. After setting up your shipping zones and methods, double-check all your entries to ensure everything is correct. The accuracy of this information directly affects your customers' shopping experience and can impact their decision to complete a purchase. When you're satisfied with your setup, make sure to save your changes before you exit the settings page. And there you have it. Your Woocommerce shipping options should now be configured to meet the needs of your online store. By following these steps, you've laid the groundwork for an efficient shipping system that can adapt to various customer locations and requirements. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video helps you on your e-commerce journey.